Welcome to Top Cars Review.
We're going sideways in a rear-wheel drive, 4-door HSV. Nothing unusual about that. Much weirder is the fact the vehicle in question isn't a hot-up Commodore, but instead a wilder-looking Colorado dual-cab ute. When you consider the last HSV launched was the GTSR W1, and its next release will be this Colorado SportsCat, it's a contrast perfectly encapsulating the changing of eras for Holden Special Vehicles, forced out of its Commodore-enhancing comfort zone by Holden's cessation of local production. HSV is no stranger to utes, of course, but after cars like the Avalanche XUV and far more successful Maloo, this is the brand's first stab at the one-ton workhorse variety. The SportsCat, due in February, is more than a cosmetically enhanced Holden, although without any extra engine performance. It's more of a rival to the upcoming Ford Ranger Raptor than a response to Germany's two six-cylinder dual cabs, the Volkswagen Amarok V6 and upcoming Mercedes-Benz X350d. HSV's enhancements, however, target dynamics leadership in the segment. But let's start with the styling overhaul that will play a key role in showroom appeal.